What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today, guys. They showed their hand, and I want to show you guys how to capitalize on it, as well as something that can change your life on this journey, okay? But listen, before we dive into today's video, please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, we're going to recap Tesla today, but you guys wasted no time diving into the information from last night's video and making money off of it. I love to see this, guys. Check this out. Made my base hit for the day. Played the Tesla range for 450 profit, $450 profit to be exact, okay? Bought smaller contracts as you suggested during our coaching call. Thanks for the coaching. Check this out, guys. This was 5 contracts on Tesla. In last night's video, I laid out for you guys what to expect both to the upside and the downside. Whatever direction you choose to play is totally up to you. I just want to teach you how to fish and show you guys how to consistently make money and dominate the stock market. 5 contracts here, average cost of $450, rolled it up almost 100 points. I love to see this. And $450, just like she stated. Miss Phyllis, major salute, guys. Check this one out. Heavy slugger. This one came in, hey Chris, another day, another home run. This one came off your guidance on Tesla in last night's video. Let me know down below if you guys were able to take advantage in either direction. Remember one thing about being over here with me. It's different over here, okay? It's different over this way, all right? And one difference is that you make money in both directions around here. That's an expectation, okay? Check this out. 2 contracts, average cost of $510, took this to $905, 77% gain, or the equivalent of $790. This was nearly $1,000, guys. I tried to tell you, I tried to lay it out, but don't worry, I got something even special for you guys on today so you guys can get after it tomorrow. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I first want to say major salute to those that did their thing in Tesla today, or those that did their thing in the market period on today, okay? That's first things first, but let's go ahead and dive into the charts. I want to bring your eyes to the 15-minute time frame, okay? And here, let me get situated because I want to make sure you guys see this. So this was today, okay? We gapped up right here. So they made a gap. This is where we're at. We gapped up, and then they left this small gap right here, guys. We got rejected. I want to show you something high level chess in just a minute. This was yesterday. This was last week's close. We gapped up here. This was the open. You guys need to see this. They pushed it all the way down. Boom, boom candle, boom, boom candle, boom, boom candle, till they close the gap, okay? So now this gap is closed, so their job is done, okay? That's over and done with. From there, Tesla, once the gap was closed, look at what proceeded to happen, guys. Kind of traded sideways along the 13 before we fell here, before eventually losing this level and falling to this support. Okay, that support right there. That was 215 on today. So check this out. At support, we bounced, made our way back up, and then boom, we finished around 219, still with everything intact. But let's go ahead and unpack what went down on today, guys. First things first, we had a gap up. I taught you guys that all gaps will be filled, whether or not same day, end of day, or next day, okay? All the times it don't happen in that order, but it just sounds cool, okay? But check this out. Today, it was filled same day, all right? And so again, this is something that's right about 80% of the times. 8 out of 10 times, gaps will be filled the same day, all right? And today, Tesla filled the gap, okay? But let's dive back in here. What happened when they created the gap up, it was really that double top we talked about at the exact level we called out in Discord this morning, 226, okay? And so at 226, that is resistance, just so you guys know. All right, so that when tomorrow come, you know how to make your money. You know the range now. They showed their hand. This is high level chess. You now know the range. 215 on the downside, 226 on the upside is your first level of resistance en route to where our target is 230. All right, but check this out. Let's get back in here. The other support is right here at 214. Okay, so 214 is this black line right here. All right, so you got support at 215. That held today. Then you got support at 214 in case it drops. But now you guys know what to do. What do we do at support? You buy calls, okay? So 215, 217, those are your support levels. If those are lost, you have your next support at 214. You can buy a call there, and then you place your stop loss right here, right underneath. So if you're wrong, okay, it stops you out, and then guess what? You can pivot, get on the right side of the trade, and ride it down. So listen to this. We are only looking to buy puts if it breaks 214. Write that down, okay? Unless you guys are buying puts at resistance at 226 or 230, okay? These are how you want to go about these things. These are how you want to try to be surgical, okay? Let me know if this is helping you guys understand the psychology around how to trade, how to properly dominate in this game, all right? But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you that. Let me clear this up just a little bit for you so you can see what is next, all right? If we lose 214, we have a gap right here, okay? This is another gap fill area right here. I just want to write gap so that you guys can start knowing, all right, yeah, we might have a target of 230, but to the downside, if we lose 214, okay, we're coming right down here to fill this gap, okay? That's what we're going to be looking to do. But now you know the range, 214, 215 to 226 en route to 230. But listen, guys, we had a major move the past week. So some of this needs to be digested. So watch out for sideways trading. Watch out for premium burn. Watch out for all the things they'll do to trick, trap, and frustrate you, okay? Now, after today's trading day, we have a chance to see their hand. Wall Street showed their hand. So from here, guys, I want you, one, to operate off the 15-minute chart if you can, okay? And then once you reach a level of mastery, you can then go down to like the 2-minute smaller time frames. But the 15-minute is going to give you some clear-cut support levels, some clear-cut candlestick moves so that you can kind of see without all the hustle and bustle of all the minute-to-minute movement that can sometimes get overwhelming. Utilize the 15-minute chart and or the 30-minute chart, sometimes the 1-hour chart if you need a bigger picture but still zoomed in a tad bit, okay? And then, guys, you can see the game a little more clearly. Then you can slow it down. Today was all about patience, okay? If you were patient enough to wait for the support levels to be tested, again, the stock began to move in your favor. If you were hasty and jumped in there too quick, then, guys, you might have got caught on the wrong side of the trade. Listen, this comes with the territory. All of this is learning. That's why we show up each and every day ready to teach and help you guys get 1% better, okay? Listen, let's get right back to it tomorrow. Let's get right back to the money. But major salute to those of you that wasted no time kicking butt, taking names. The money team, you guys get ready. I'm expecting you guys to knock the plays out the park this week as well. So be locked, loaded, and ready to go, guys, because it should get very, very interesting this week, okay? With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.